Hello farmers, hope all is well. Today, together with Marco Penitenti, I'll show you a very special pruning technique that will allow your vineyard to live and produce excellently, even for 100 years. So, my vineyard is now 50 years old, and with this pruning, we'll bring it to 100 years. Let's go see together how to do a renewal pruning. Before we begin, I have a favor to ask. For 13 years, I've discussed every aspect of agriculture with you. By sharing this, I ask you to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. This is really important to keep providing free information. It's a small action that truly makes a difference. Thank you very much. So, we're talking about renewing a vineyard. Let's explain why. The vineyard is nearing 50 years old.
Exactly.
If we let it go like this, sooner or later it starts to run out. We start to run out of bait. Problems begin to arise. What do? We keep renewing it, making it young, right? We bring it to 100 years.
Definitely.
How do you do it?
Someone will bring it to 100.
Someone will bring him to 100 years. How do we do this renewal?
First, we need healthy vines. Otherwise, we're wasting time. And that's the case. You have a very healthy vineyard with beautiful, flawless vines. And so you have to work the year before, choosing branches that we intentionally let grow, which will then become the fruiting canes, the spurs in the following years. Last year we did this operation, so we left all these portions. They've grown here. You see, we made the fruiting head high. Now we're starting to go down to a height that works perfectly for our trellis wire. We have enough centimeters here to make the twists of our branches themselves.
If you don't know how to prune a vine, what is it? The spur, the fruiting cane. I'll leave a dedicated video we made together below to answer you. We'll assume it as given, watch it if needed. So now let's go and basically make the spur, right? And the fruiting branch.
We're going to use it.
I'll use these two here and remove this one as well. Yes, now I'll use these. But excuse me, then the point of renewing a vineyard, let's really explain it, is that instead of uprooting, putting in a new vine cutting that has to grow roots and so on and so forth, we use the same root, right? And we basically grow a new branch, we recreate our plant from scratch.
Because after a certain number of years here, after about 30 years, you see that all this willow head has formed.
So the willow head is just dry wood, right?
Yes, it's an issue with dry, fully thickened wood. Do you see how thick it is?
But do you have this problem only because you pruned it badly? Or is it a bit...
It develops over time.
Can it happen even if you did well?
Yes, it develops over the years.
Okay.
2 years ago, you see, we left all these spurs, you see? And now we're going to cut here. So we remove all this upper part and keep the lower part, which we'll use to make the cordon aiguillot.
So we have two vines here, okay?
Let's go to the other side.
Sorry, let's improve it. This has already been done.
Yes, of course.
There used to be the classic screw here. They started another one. You see, after the base of the screw, the part underneath, it's the same.
Exactly. And the person who did it was very smart because they still left a little spur. You see, they left a respectful cut. So the rot that formed here, because it wasn't healed and so on, stopped here. And it didn't harm the foot, which is perfectly healthy.
If it hit the foot, it was over.
Well, yes, because then the decay also invades the vital organs.
But why does dryness basically keep the insect out? The bacteria?
The cut is a break in continuity where the bacteria enters. And it's the bacteria that causes the disease known as mal de l'esca. Or in any case, decay to the wood. So this is decay that is caused by a disease.
We're leaving the wound open, come on.
Bacteria, barafungi.
Is it wrong to say open though?
Yes, since it didn't happen, life is completely healthy. It had been done before for some reason. This was done. Now we're going to lower it because we want to reach about this height, which is what we want.
Clear, so anyone who has a vineyard, even an old one, needs to renew it, right?
Yes.
It might take 2 or 3 years.
Yes.
Let's show it. So the smallest cut and the cut with the more pronounced willow head, which has never been renewed. Okay, so take off the strap. There, you go in just like that. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Sorry, we're also cutting the croissant, right?
Yes, it's a small cut, so I can do it up close.
But on top you left. About 5 centimeters?
Let's leave it, maybe slightly tilted so rainwater runs off,
Sure.
rather than making it completely horizontal.
So the first spur, the second fruiting cane?
Yes, exactly. Instead, we'll cut off this entire Salis head.
Let's make it clear. This is Salis's head. We played here in previous years, but I could use this.
We'll choose later.
Okay, later.
Let's make the cut first to avoid the chainsaw getting stuck or hitting something. So we cut it and pull everything away, and then at the end we decide. There are 3 stubs here, and we take one.
Should I make the cut for you?
You do it for me, gladly.
Chainsaw, beautiful, thin, and especially sharp, designed for surgical precision. I'll go a little higher for now, but if needed, I'll trim it later. And I'm going slow because I can't see behind me.
So,
Marco, maybe I left a little too much wood, but
it's okay.
is it too much?
No, it's okay.
Let's analyze this for a moment.
We'll scar it later. Come look at this wood.
Wait, I'm getting there. No, I want to see you here.
So look at this one, which is healthy.
This one's healthy. Let's show it.
This one is healthy. It's really very healthy.
I mean, basically, we don't see anything inside.
No, because it's perfect.
We don't see any sawdust.
Exactly, but this one does.
Ouch!
Ouch. Inside it's spongy because it's gone bad. It doesn't matter because the strings that they take, the new branches are still on the outer strings. Here we heal, huh?
Yes?
Here we heal no matter what.
But here, maybe it's urgent to go and create
Well, definitely.
an alternative, right?
The best thing is to start. And now, with a cut like this, it could be because the vine is a bit more stimulated to sprout. Maybe start a branch below. And like this one, it was started very low. We start here, then remove the rest of the screw.
Listen here, tell me how we handle this.
All right, it's fine here now.
I like these two because I see them.
So these here, we're definitely going to remove them for now.
Did you see what Marco was saying after this? When you cut, sometimes you end up taking it. I cut this one myself. But not on purpose, though. I pruned it, guys. Let's keep this. It's actually continuous since that was a spur last year, right?
Yes, this is all stuff we left last year.
So we're in continuity.
Let's take everything away. The main branch. This is our main branch, and it remains the spur.
So Marco, we've done a lot. It really shows. It's basically a topping in every way, right?
This is topping in every respect. We'll take it, then for now we'll put it down here.
They'll move it later. But let's also consider this first. Let's check it out here, Marco. One moment.
But now you see instead.
We already covered this above. If we went to hold nothing would grow here. Look.
No, they do grow. That's why they grow.
If we kept something like this on top, basically we were destined to kill the plant within a few years. We were removing everything underneath.
Yes, you keep getting up, while yes.
I get up on something.
Exactly.
That's breaking.
It's not certain that this cavity has reached there. Maybe underneath it's healthy. We don't know. We only know if we cut it.
But is that why we should let shoots grow?
Yes, a low shoot.
A low shoot? Why? So we can decide later. Maybe we start and cut here. We cut here, it's still there. Cut again, now it's gone. All right, I'll handle it from here. I already have the low shoot, so I'll let it grow and see if something taller appears.
Absolutely, yes.
You say this stimulates it?
Yes, also because now it's a very easy vine to prune. I don't have 1,000 cuts anymore because it's a classic gaillot.
Simple means lower costs and easier management.
Lower costs, more manageable.
Sprayer, for treatments when needed. Simpler.
Exactly, it's more intuitive. It's clear that the best thing would be to use this dock line. We'll use this gradually as we proceed.
Well, then we'll use this dock line with this one already this year.
We bend these into an arch anyway, and we leave the others there.
So this here is a work of restoration, rejuvenation.
Yes, absolutely.
This way the vineyard lasts for years.
Ah, well, yes. If afterwards we still take care, we heal the wounds, we do all our usual things, we give it our copper treatments. Afterwards, this lasts for years.
Good.
He has to reach those famous 100 years. See, after that, we bend it like this. We bend it into a bow shape.
And then that's it.
Then we tie it and that's it. One up and one down, one up and one down, and that's it.
And we're done. We're done. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. We have some assets, let's use these techniques to preserve them. We also have a responsibility. Later, maybe in 50 years, I won't be here. It will pass into someone else's hands, but I'm leaving them a legacy. And this thing here, I think that's the most beautiful thing besides being more romantic. Working for the next generations. I received, I give back. Watch out! You can also take a small action to support this channel, which is to subscribe to the channel, give it a nice like, and comment below your impressions. Do you also have a vineyard? What kind of vineyard do you have? Did you know about this technique? So, let's build a community in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video, farmers. See you next time. Bye, everyone.